Hello, if you are wondering if you purchase original or fake pair of Huawei FreeBuds SE3, then you can make comparison with my model. And this one actually comes from an official Huawei website. So first of all, when you take a look on this box, we can find indicator. It actually turns green when you connect this into your phone, into the charger, and also it's blinking white when you click and hold this button. By the way, the case is actually well made. So now when I'm gonna open it, it turns green. When I'm gonna click and hold this button, it will turns white. It will start blinking like that. This part is made out of the glossy plastic, so it will scratch a lot, but it's actually pretty well made for that price. Now I'm gonna remove both earbuds and show you how the case looks inside. So as you can see in this place, we can actually find a lot of marking stuff. Oh, let me just try to catch focus on it. There we go. Here we have model, so it's actually T0016L with some English and Chinese phrases. This model was made in China, and when you take a look inside, we got standard gold pins to charge device. There's no any marking inside right here. Now when you take both earbuds, so we can find marks. Let me just catch focus on them. There we go. On the left and the right stem, we can find this marking for the left and the right earbud for sure. That's how they look from this side. That's how it looks inside. And also right here, we've got the touch sensor. At the bottom, we can find pins for charging, and there's some marks right here. Also the number of the model T0016 and the same right here. So this is it. You can tell me in the comments how it looks in your case of earbuds. Thanks for watching.